We nominated Action for Children because we love partnering with them. As an organisation, they place real value on using apprenticeships to develop their staff. We do the obvious apprenticeships with them, like the residential childcare, the early years, the ones that you would expect. But actually, they are kind of open to all and every opportunity to help develop their staff. So we also do finance, team leading, operations management. So they've really kind of gone outside the box to get the best for their staff. From the get-go, they've got a really thorough nominations process, and that includes line managers' commitment, as well as ensuring the learners are committed and they really understand what they're signing up to. Our relationship with Action for Children is brilliant. It's a real pleasure to work with them. You just know that you're working with people and people that care. And Debbie Winning, our main contact, she makes my life as an account manager just so easy. She knows learners by name, she knows their individual journeys through their apprenticeships, and she's always happy to step in and support whenever that's needed, as shown kind of throughout the organisation.
My name is Debbie Winning, and I am the Apprenticeships and Qualifications Officer for Action for Children. I've worked with Action for Children for over 25 years now. My role is predominantly to oversee the delivery of apprenticeships and qualifications to Action for Children staff, and work closely with the suppliers as well. What it means to us to be a finalist, well, we're absolutely delighted to be nominated for Paragon Skills Large Childcare Employer of the Year for the second year running, actually. The competition for the award was really tough last year, as Paragon Skills worked with a wide range of exceptional organisations. So we're just keeping our fingers crossed this year. In 2022, Action for Children achieved a DFE Top 100 Apprenticeship Employer Award. This award celebrates England's outstanding apprenticeship employers, recognising their commitment to creating new apprenticeships, the diversity of their apprentices, and the number of apprentices who have successfully achieved. So this achievement is partially due to the support we've received from Paragon Skills. So thank you.